Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a Christmas inspired nail art. Here I have tried to draw a Christmas tree on my ring finger, and on the rest of the finger I have created a glitter gradient effect. Hope you all will love it. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel. Here I have used the Wet n Wild top coat as a base coat as well, and the Maybelline color so white polish as a base color. For the glitter gradient effect I have used the Nail USA glitter polish, and for the tree I have used the Lakme green color. For creating that glitter gradient effect, first apply the base color, that is the white color. Then take a sponge like this and put the glitter nail polish over it as shown in the video. Very gently dab on the nail, on the top part of the nail, to create that gradient effect. And it's done. Let's move to draw the tree. Here I have used the striping tape. First cut the tape into small pieces. Initially I was thinking to put red color as the base color for the tree, then I changed my mind and take white color as the base color. Here I have put two cello tapes in a triangular pattern. Then I'm going to put the striping tapes in zigzag way like shown in the video. I'm very poor in describing, I'm so sorry for that. Then I'm going to apply the green polish over it, and don't let it dry. Just immediately pull out the striping tape and cello tape, everything. Just make sure before putting all the cello tape and striping tape the base color is completely dry, otherwise it will become real messy and not looking good. And ta-da! It's done. The tree is done. Now time to put some glitter over the tree. We are going to use the same technique. I'm going to very gently dab the glitter through the glitters through the sponge onto the nail. And now taking a golden polish, I'm going to put a dot over the tree, and done. Let it dry completely, then apply a good layer of top coat over it to seal the design. And it's done. Our Christmas nail art is done. Hope you like it. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.